How to use Facebook Marketplace. First, you want to open Facebook on your device and now tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you're going to find the option of Marketplace. So simply tap on that option. So here on Marketplace, you can buy or sell items. So if you are looking to purchase something, you can scroll down here and then tap on the item that you want to purchase. You can also tap on categories to choose which category it is that you want to purchase the item. So here, for example, I'm choosing appliances. So over here, you're going to find all the appliances on sale. So you simply want to tap on that to get more details. So here you can see the item name and the amount. So if you want to get connected with the seller for more description on this product and also to know about the market price, you simply want to tap over here to contact the seller. You can also find out the details from here as well. So check out all of these details before you make an offer. So if you are sure about this offer and you want to purchase it, you can tap on send offer from here as well. So here you can send an offer. So this is how you can buy something on Marketplace. If you want to sell your own product, what you want to do is tap on the sell button. And from here, you can choose a listing. You can choose the appropriate item. So here I'm going to select items here. And now you need to upload a picture of the item that you want to sell from your gallery. So tap on add photos. So here I have selected this photo from my gallery. Make sure that you click original pictures because Facebook prefers that. Here you need to enter all the relevant information about your product. Now enter the price as well. Here you can add a description about your products as well. And once you have entered all the important details, you can tap on the publish button, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Once you have done that, people will send offers to you and then you can accept it by checking those out. This is how you can use the Facebook Marketplace. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.